Okay guys, in less than 5 minutes, I quickly want to show you guys how to check if your O-level result has been uploaded. Right, I keep on getting several series of messages from students trying to find out if they are to still go to the CVD center, or they are they are supposed to still upload their O-level results. Now, what you need to do to check is you need to log into your JAMB CAPS, right? But one thing I observe is majority of the students or majority of JAMB don't even have access to their JAMB CAPS. Now, this is what you are going to do. If you don't have access to your JAMB CAPS, you're going to go watch the video on how to get access to your JAMB CAPS, even if you misplace your SIM, sorry, even if you don't have access to your email address, right? Because obviously you're going to use an email address here. So some students, perhaps they are using the wrong email, or sometimes they don't have access to the email or whatsoever. As a result of that, they don't have password to their JAMB profile. So apparently they will not be able to log in here, right? So go watch that video to help you to navigate that problem, right? I would attach it to the comment section, so you could just tap the link in there and watch the video. Now, for those that have their email address and their password, you can practically log into your JAMB CAPS. So you just have to do this with me. So I'll be using this my student as an example. So once you log in, you have something like this. You go to check admission status, then you make sure you are picking 2025 here, because if you pick 2024, you surely going to be getting details about 2024. But since it's 2025, so we access our CAPS from here. So once you access your CAPS, just go to my O-level. Once you go to my O-level, you would surely see your O-level here. If you have uploaded, you will surely see your O-level here. But if you haven't, it will be blank. Nothing will be showing here, right? And if you have and it's not showing, you just come here and do refresh. It will refresh and it will start showing. JAMB is here to actually update your profile, so you cannot even see some of your choices that you have made, which is not really a problem. I believe when they sort that out, you will be able to see, right? So guys, I think that is just all about this particular video. So if you are wanting to get more videos like this that will help you solve majorly JAMB problem, also help you make a very good decision as regards getting admission this year, just subscribe to this channel, and I'm surely going to see you in the next video.